Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you've learned on how you can get a boarding pass here on trip.com. So we have two different options. So the first one is you just have to log into your trip.com account and then just go to my bookings option. So this one, and then after that, you just have to find the flight you want to check in. For example, we have this flight. Okay, and then if online check-in is available, you'll see a check-in button. And then you just have to click it. So since we don't have any flight booking, so we cannot really see that right here. But again, you just have to find the flight you want to check in. And then if online check-in is available, you'll see a check-in button and then just click it. And then you just have to follow the instruction, confirm the passenger details, select your seat, and then once completed, you should see an option to download or email your boarding pass. And then you can just save it to your phone or print it. Next is you just have to check in directly with the airlines. So this is for the option two. So some airlines do not allow trip.com to issue boarding passes. So in this case, you can go to the airline's official website or mobile app, enter your booking reference or the PNR and last name, complete the checked-in process and download your boarding pass, and then you can then save it to your phone or print it. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.